We partnered with Dawn Professional at Sam's Club to give people a behind-the-scenes look at how we maintain our studio kitchen here at Breezeway Bakery. The food industry is all about presentation. It's about making your mouth water the moment you lay eyes on a plate. But the silent partner in any food presentation is cleanliness, and that includes inside and outside of the sink. That kind of stuff is paramount to beautiful food photography and, if you're dining out, a great dining experience. Because when the fundamentals of cleanliness are ignored, the viewer or diner winds up repulsed instead of enticed, which is the exact opposite of what we want and what diners expect in a bakery or restaurant. Now, in our case, a lot of our most beloved content includes the dramatic, slow-moving drizzle of a ganache or glaze over an already decadent dessert. What our followers get to skip is all the cleanup which accompanies this kind of production, and the hard work yet to come once the camera is turned off. The sheer volume of our food content is staggering, just like the volume of messes in a bakery or restaurant. You might say we're professional mess makers, and it goes without saying that a professional mess requires a professional cleaning product. One of which that not only cleans dishes, which we do have a ton of, but is also up to the task of cleaning all of our vinyls, our equipment, and other areas in a professional setting. We love Dawn Professional at Sam's Club. It does all of this stuff with ease. It makes our cleanup efficient, reduces clean time significantly, and is the best grease cutting product we've found. On top of all of that, it helps reduce water waste by making 128 sinks of soapy water with a single container. And it saves up to 6,000 gallons of hot water every year. We fell in love with this product, and we highly recommend that you head on down to your local Sam's Club or go to samsclub.com and purchase some Dawn Professional Dish Detergent for your bakery, restaurant, or for yourself, so that you can keep your kitchen and beyond as clean as the professionals and keep everyone coming back for more.